So today we are looking at exponential equation and we are to solve this question. Believe me, this question is very simple. Watch me. Now this 3 raised to power 2x can be written as 3 raised to power x, everything raised to power 2, minus 4 into bracket. This one can be written as 3 raised to power s multiplied by 3 raised to power 1. Because in indices, if I want to solve this, I will take one of the base and I will add the power. That means 3 raised to power s times 3 raised to power 1 is the same thing as taking one of the base, then adding s plus 1. Then plus 27 is equal to 0. So if I simplify further, I will now say let 3 raised to power x be equal to p. So anywhere I see 3 raised to power x, I'll put the alphabet p there. And this is 3 raised to power x. So in this case, I will have p squared minus 4 into bracket. This is also 3 raised to power s. I will put the value p times 3. 3 raised to power 1 is 3 plus 27 is equal to 0. So if I simplify further, this will be p squared minus 3 times p is 3p. So you have 4 into bracket 3p plus 27 is equal to 0. Then in that case, you have p squared 4 times 3p, that's 12p, minus 27 is equal to 0. This has given us quadratic equation. So how do we solve? We first look for the product of the first and the last term. You have product. That's this multiplied by this. That will give me 27p squared. Then sum should be the number in the middle. That's minus 12p. So we need to look for two numbers which are factors of 12 and 27. So that if I multiply the numbers together, I will have 27. And if I add the numbers together, I will have minus 12. If you look at the factors correctly, the factors that can give us minus 12 and the product will be 27 are minus 3, minus 9. Because minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12. And minus 3 times minus 9 is 27. Because minus times minus is plus. 3 times 3 is 27. That means you have 3p and 9p. Substitute the value of minus 3p minus 9p into this equation. So you have p squared minus 3p minus 9p plus 27 is equal to 0. Now, what is common between this and this is p. So I'll bring out the p into brackets. I will have p here minus 3. Then what is common between this and this? That's 9. So I'll bring out the 9 minus 9 into bracket p. So I will have 27 divided by 3. That will give me minus 3. Should be equal to 0. Then factor out 9 minus p minus 3, p minus 3. I'll take 1. Then I'll put this one in the other bracket, p minus 9. This p minus 9 should be equal to 0. Then after that, I will say either the first fraction, p minus 3, is equal to 0, which means that p is equal to 3. Or p minus 9 is equal to 0, which means that p is equal to 9. But we are supposed to look for the value of x, not p. You now recall, don't forget we said let 3 raised to power s be equal to p. I'll just write recall that 3 raised to power s is equal to p. That means when p is equal to 3, this first one, 3 raised to power s is equal to 3. And you know that 3 raised to 3 is the same thing as 4 raised to power 1. So when this and this cancel, s will be equal to 1. Or when p is equal to 9, this our 3 raised to power s should be equal to 9. And you recall that 9 in this is the same thing as writing 3 raised to power s is equal to 3 raised to power 2. And when this and this cancel, it means that s should be equal to 2. Therefore, our s is equal to 1 or 2. That's the solution of the equation. Bye bye.